Hi guys, welcome back. So this is officially my second video in the festive series and I'm excited and nervous at the same time because it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. Now, of course, it's gonna be on how to recreate this look. It's very easy to recreate, it is very simple, trust me, so please hang on till the end. I'm starting off my base with a moisturizer because of course it's really important to keep your skin as hydrated as possible and also to avoid getting cakey finish after the makeup. And then I'm using MAC's Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus on my face. So this is basically a moisture mist that can be used to refresh your skin before all the drama your face has to take up, and it also gives a dewy finish to your makeup which would be so appropriate for the festive season. And for my foundation, I'm using MAC's Studio Fix Fluid. And I know this shade looks way lighter than my skin tone, but trust me guys, I'm using MAC, so it's gonna oxidize to another level, which means it's gonna get darker through time. After applying foundation, give some time for it to settle before topping it off with some other product. So this is how my face looked after giving my foundation 10 to 15 minutes to settle down completely. Better, right? Next step, we are going to move on with a concealer. Again, this is from MAC. It's the Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW40. And when it comes to foundation, I belong to NC45, but the foundation that I use today is actually slightly lighter to my tone. But anyway, I somehow managed to make it work. Now I'm going to use a MAC's it's a Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC45 to seal my base. So this helps in keeping the makeup intact and bring everything together. And for my eyebrows, I'm using my constant Lakme's Kajal. And as I always say, remember to keep your hands light when it is on your brows. Don't go heavy-handed and end up looking like a joker, and I'm no way responsible for that. Whenever you use a kajal on your brows, use a spoolie to even the product out. Else, there are gonna be a lot of harsh lines that no one wants. Now I'm applying my concealer on top of my eyelids to create a base for my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use my favorite Makeup Revolution's Unicorn Unite palette. First, I took a coppery shade and started working on my crease. It was actually a beautiful copper shade with golden shimmers in it. Once I'm done with the crease, I'm taking a metallic purple shade called Believe and filling in my eyelids. One quick tip to use shimmery shades is that instead of a brush, if you use your fingers, the color payoff will be better. Else, you could even try working it with a wet brush. Here, I'm actually wetting my brush with MAC's Prep Plus Prime Mist. Once I'm done with this, I'm again gonna go with the same copper shade on my crease and blend both the shades properly to get the perfect finish. For eyeliner, I'm using Nykaa's Get Inked Felt Tip Liner. It has a wonderful grip to work with. Now I'm going to go across my lower water lines with the same Lakme Kajal to make it look more Indian-like. Taking a champagne gold shade called Legend, I'm highlighting my tear ducts and brow bones. And yeah, that's it for my eyes. For blush, I'm using Nykaa's Get Cheeky blush in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. And for highlighting, I'm using Smashbox Spotlight palette in the shade Gold. Reason for why I chose to use this palette is obviously because it's a festive season and we definitely need that extra bang on our face. And for lipstick, I'm using my favorite Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade, I don't know. I seriously don't know because the packaging is completely worn out and I couldn't find the shade name. I've used it so much, I guess. So only at this point I realized that I didn't put my mascara, and for my mascara I'm using Maybelline New York's Hyper Curl Mascara. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please click on the like button down below, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Invogue, take a moment to subscribe. So until I meet you guys next time, bye.